This video is about United staking, United token staking. If you are already in United project, maybe you have some tokens, you have a possibility now how to earn money from it. If you are not in this project, maybe you should be. Watch the video until the end and you are gonna understand also if this is something for you or not. In this video, I'm gonna show step by step what you need to do in order to stake United token LP and why it is good for you and why it is good for the rest of United token community. Stay tuned. 4 days ago, I made a video how to stake United LP token, and there is a lot of people who have problems with that because this is too complicated. And we actually already knew it before that we need a web interface also for this. So until today, the staking was happening through the Binance scan. And if you are not normally using these kind of things and not really interacting with smart contracts, then it might be a little bit complicated. However, today now the website is up and it is just a couple of clicks of a button. It's the only thing what you need to do. It's super simple, and I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do and what you can get out of this. So let's get started. First thing what you need to do, you need to go to pancakeswap.finance. I also leave the link below. Just click on the link, go to PancakeSwap, and you need to go with the browser what is able to connect with the MetaMask wallet. So if you are doing it from the phone, then you just go inside of the MetaMask wallet, and from there you go to the browser and you can connect the wallet very easily. If you do it in the computer, then Chrome browser is sufficient. You just need to have a MetaMask extension in there. Inside of the MetaMask wallet, you need to have 3 currencies. You need to have United, you need to have USD Tether, and you need to have a little bit of BNB for the gas fees. If you have $1 worth of BNB, it is totally sufficient. There is not a lot needed, at least right now. When you are making an LP token or liquidity pool token, you need to put 50% United and 50% USDT together to create an LP token. So this is what we're gonna do exactly right now. When we are in PancakeSwap, then we go trade, liquidity, V2 or version 2, and add liquidity. Before we're gonna go any further, you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. You see it's BNB chain, Binance Smart Chain, connect wallet, and MetaMask. Now we need to add, of course, this account. I have many accounts in here, but we add the account where we have right now our United and our USDT and our BNB. When we take United, okay, we have United in here, and United doesn't have really the logo in here, and I don't know yet why it's not showing, but I guess soon it's gonna show as well. And then the other one we choose USDT. So we put United and USDT. And in here we don't put 0.1 or 0.5 or anything like that. We just click add V2 liquidity. Now we need to put 50% in United, 50% in USDT. And since I have $13 in here, I just click max. Right, I can just put also 13 in here. You can manually write. Or if you don't know how much is going, like this is showing exactly how much is going to be spent now in order to make LP token. So right now in this case, I will put $13. I have $13.6, so I just click max. And I have enough also United. Since in this wallet I already used it before, you are gonna have in the screen 2 buttons. What you need to just click UTED confirm or approve, and USDT confirm or approve. So in my case it's already done. Now I just click add. It will tell how much LP tokens is going to be. 464 I can see in here, and this is right now taking 1% of the pool. Okay, confirm supply. And of course, what bigger is your pool share, the bigger is the rewards what you're getting every day. Rewards itself, in here it also shows that it's gonna spend $13 and 16,000 United. Okay, confirm. And we add Cake LP to the metamask wallet. Okay, done. What we're gonna do now is we go to the new web page. This is now the second step. We go to the web page called staking.unitedtoken.eu. Okay, and you're gonna get into this beautiful page. Welcome to the United Staking, a lot of things written in here. You just click go to staking. Now on the right corner, you just click connect the wallet, metamask. Again, the same account where you have now the LP token and confirm. That's it. Now, I also see in here I have earned some rewards because I have already staked with this wallet a little bit. And I'm going to show you in a moment how it works. But what we wanted to do, we wanted to right now add the LP tokens, which I got about 300. Let's check it out from the wallet. I have right now 459.5. So I just put, because I have in here 459 LP token, I will go for 450. What was the number? 459.5. 9.5. Okay, so this is exactly how much LP token I have right now in the wallet. And now I need to just click approve. It will open up the MetaMask wallet again. And spending limit. I just approve it. It will confirm when I'm done. At least supposed to. Well, I guess it's done. And then, well, 10 seconds later, it seems that the approval itself, it does not show right now. Something what we can improve. And we just click stake the same amount. Now the MetaMask wallet is going to open again. And it will spend 459 and it's gonna put it into stake and confirm. We wait for a couple of seconds and it should go away from our MetaMask wallet. And if the LP token has left, so you have no more LP token in here, then the transaction is done. Then you have already done your staking correctly. So this is how simple it is. Now, as you see also right now, the balance is 0.00 USDT. And since I already put a couple of days ago in here a little bit of LP as a test when I make the previous video, then I just go in here to claim the rewards. This is how you can collect the USDT. You can do it every day, every other day, or whenever you decide. Claim the rewards, and it's gonna tell me how much I will earn. Okay, so I received 24.23 USDT, and I think this is right now when I was staking about $30. I have it in the previous video. About $30 I was staking. Right now, 4 days or 3 days it has been staking, and it's already $24 because the pool share is pretty big. So I basically earn almost all of the money back what I was putting in. So this is also what you can do. Just click confirm, and a couple of seconds later you are going to have $24 in your wallet. Voila. As you can see in here, 8 people have been staking only until today, and maybe this after this video is going to change as well. So 8 people are getting rewards every day, but there can be 80 or there can be 800 in here who is getting paid every day in USDT for staking United. And of course, why do we do that? Because this is creating more value for United. So for the person who is staking, it is a good income in USDT. But what more people are staking, the smaller is going to be the reward. However, the higher is going to be the liquidity of United. And of course, United price is also starting to grow. If you go to the dextools.io, I'm gonna leave also the link below, and we paste in here United token address, we see liquidity pool in here. Liquidity pool is growing. There is $2,500 in liquidity already added by only 8 people in past 3 days, 4 days. And what has happened with United price, as you see, the price is 0.00083. 800%. Guys, this shows very well that when community is coming together and everybody is participating in the systems like this, then everybody wins. As a community member, you can change everything. You can make the price drop or you can make the price grow. And prices are dropping when community is weak. Prices are rising when community is strong. This is just one of these tools what we are creating right now for you, that your life would be a little bit easier. And we continue creating new things until our cards are gonna come out finally. And this is definitely going to happen this summer. Celebrate in the groups. You should talk with the people in a positive way. Hey, we have been waiting for 1 year. The price has not made any move and now it's 800% up and we are able to stake daily. This is what the strong community would do. If you are a strong person in community, share the positive news, share the things what is coming out, share the information and also share the ideas. What as a community what you can do, because this is your token. This is your cryptocurrency. It's owned by you and you are the one who is able to change the destiny for this project. Attention! Under the video there is also a link for Abundance DeFi. And Abundance DeFi is created by the same guy who actually created this web page and created this contract, and is also responsible for all of the good things what has been happening in the past 1 or 2 weeks with United. Because if he would not help out right now with this contract, I don't know where we would be. We would still waiting in the same way until the cards are coming out. But he's an amazing guy. He has created also an amazing project. I don't know everything about it. So to actually give a good and proper overview for that, he's the best guy to do it. And we're going to make a video together where he's going to show and also talk about his project and how to benefit from there. But I know that there is a smart contract, there is staking, there is different ways for people to generate daily income also from his Abundance DeFi. And of course, this guy's name is BTC Pat. He has amazing story. He has a YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the links below. Go check it out, because really big thanks, BTC Pat, for you, for the work what you have done for us. And I know that there is some amazing things what you have created right now what is not seen the daylight yet. Go check it out. Link is under the video. And we're gonna make also a video together with BTC Pat during the next week. And see you already in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.